Hello friends, this is Marvin Salcedo here with Salcedo Lawn, and I'm out here at a client's property spraying their yard today with some pre-emergent. And I just wanted to make a quick video to remind you that when you're out spraying pre-emergent on your property, to make sure that you're wearing the proper PPE or personal protection equipment. Whenever you are using the chemicals and mixing them, you always want to make sure that you're wearing proper safety gloves, and you want to make sure you want to get some that are chemical resistant, so that you're not going to get anything that's going to leach through and stick to your skin, because you never know, by accident you may rub your face or accidentally sneeze or something like that. You don't want to get those chemicals inside your mouth or inside your nose. So make sure that you're wearing the proper safety gloves. As soon as I get finished spraying a property, I take my gloves off and I discard them. I put a new set on at every property. I also make sure that I'm wearing safety glasses, especially when I'm mixing my chemicals, because I want to make sure that nothing splashes back and hits me in the eye. And if you can see down here, I'm wearing my rubber boots because you don't want to walk through your pre-emergent and then when you get home you're wearing the same shoes that you were wearing spraying the yard, and you track it through your house, because especially if you have babies or anything like that, you don't want to track that. The boots that I wear, I actually take off before I go home and they stay at my shop. I have a totally different pair of boots that I wear for when I'm out spraying pre-emergents. So please take all the proper safety equipment, and the proper PPE list will be in the MSDS label on your chemicals. So make sure that label that folds out on your chemicals, make sure and read through that, because you want to make sure that you're wearing the proper safety equipment for the chemical that you're using. Different chemicals require different levels of PPE. So please be careful when you're out there, and make sure, stay safe, and y'all have a wonderful day.